How to use Venmo for fast payments. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app in the US that lets you send and receive money instantly. Firstly, download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You need to sign up using your phone number or email. Verify your identity by giving personal details. Then set a secure password. To send money and receive money, you will need to link your payment method. You can use bank account, debit card, credit card. If you use a bank account, then it's free. If you use debit card and credit card, then you will get instant transfer. But with using credit card, you need to pay a fees of 3%. Open your Venmo and tap on Pay or Request, then enters the recipient's credentials and enter the amount. Then you will need to tap Pay to pay the amount. If you are using Venmo balance or linked debit card, then the payment or transaction will happen instantly. But if you are using a bank account, then it may take 1 to 3 business days. You can also share your Venmo username or QR code for clients or friends. Money can be sent instantly for goods, services, or freelance work. Also, the track transaction inside the app makes it really easier. That's all for today. Thank you.